Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Aulia Rahma with NEM 17096200032 from the Department of Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. Here, I will present my thesis entitled Development of Pilot Card Game-Based Learning Media as an Evaluation Instrument for Achieved Learning at SMKN 12 Jakarta. So, this title was created because it is based on the implementation of the independent curriculum in Indonesia, which seeks to provide flexibility to teachers in developing learning methods that reflect creativity, in the hope of enriching the student learning experience and improving the quality of education as a whole. However, in practice at SMKN 12 Jakarta, there are challenges faced by teachers in implementing new approaches that are more creative and innovative. Many teachers have experience using conventional methods. As they get older and work experience, some teachers may be more inclined to stick with methods they have been familiar with for years without paying attention to the latest development in the world of education. One of the impacts of the monotonous application of learning methods is the lack of interest and involvement of students in the learning process, especially in terms of evaluation that are carried out regularly and monotonously tend to cause a sense of boredom in students, which can ultimately reduce their motivation to actively participate in evaluation activities. When students feel less interested and motivated, this can lead to unwanted behaviors, such as cheating in evaluation. In response to this challenge, I aim to develop an interesting and entertaining pilot card-based learning media by integrating game elements into the evaluation process. I hope to increase student interest and engagement in the learning process achieved at SMKN 12 Jakarta. Based on the previous background, it can be formulated that the problems in the study include first, how to develop of the learning media of the pilot card game as an archive learning evaluation instrument in class 11 MP at SMKN 12 Jakarta. Second, what is the feasibility of the pilot card learning media used as an archive learning evaluation instrument in class 11 MP at SMKN 12 Jakarta based on material expert, media expert, and particularly learning. Third, how do students respond to the pilot card learning media used as an archive learning evaluation instrument in class 11 MP at SMKN 12 Jakarta? Based on the problems that have been formulated, the objectives to be achieved in this study are as follows. First, to find out how to develop pilot card learning media as an archive learning evaluation instrument in class 11 MP at SMKN 12 Jakarta. Second, to find out the feasibility of the pilot card learning media used as an archive learning evaluation instrument in class 11 MP at SMKN 12 Jakarta based on material expert, media expert, and particularly learning. Third, to find out the students' response to the pilot card learning media used as an archive learning evaluation instrument in class 11 MP at SMKN 12 Jakarta. The novelty of this research is that the research from Monica and Krutaini in 2019 discussed the development of evaluation media in the form Fluidofauna games on animal life cycle materials. Then research from Larasati and Nurseto in 2019 discussed the development of Unocard-based learning media as an evaluation tool in economic learning and research from Putri Santosa and Nugroho in 2022, which discussed the development of monopoly of independent game media as an evaluation of learning. The above research uses the ADDIE development model, while my research is carried out using the Mantap or 5-stage models, the development of Sumarni, Istiningsih, and Nugrahini, which is a modification of the bird and goal design. Research benefits. The results of this study are expected to provide the following benefit. First, theoretical. 1. It is expected to be able to increase to the effectiveness and efficiency of the learning evaluation process in the world of education, and 2. As a useful reference material for further research, especially in the development of learning evaluation instruments. Second, practical. For 1. Author providing experience. 2. Educator, media evaluation instrument. 3. Research place, providing input in formulating learning media development policies. 4. Peace periodic, avoiding boredom and reducing the risk of cheating. Learners can feel more engaged and motivated to learn. And 5. Alma mater or ONJ can provide input and additional knowledge. Theoretical study, theoretical foundation. Here there are 4 theoretical, including learning media, pilot card games, evaluation instrument, and archival learning. First, learning media. Pagara, Syawaludin, Krismanto, and Saidiman in 2022 state the learning media is all equipment used by educators as intermediaries to deliver learning materials so that they reach people who are learning correctly and effectively. Second, Pilot's Card is a card game that is still relatively new and popular abroad. In this game, players race to be responsive and can strategize well through one implementation of one system involving the same type. Each player can only hold 4 cards in each set. If they want to take a card, the player must exchange the cards is holding. Then evaluation. Rahman and Nasha in 2019 state that evaluation is a decision-making process using information obtained through learning measurements, both using test and non-test instrument. And then archive. Etymologically, the term archive is in Dutch is called archie, in Greek is called arche, which means beginning. Later, the word arche evolved into archia and evolved again into archion. In addition, archive in Latin are called archiums, and in Indonesia use the term archival until now, which means record or records. Thinking frame. Based on observation about the evaluation in class 11 Office Management of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta, in the archive subject teachers still use simple and monotonous evaluation question. This can make the learning process less interesting and will lead to the student cheating. Therefore, teachers need learning media that will be used as an interactive evaluation instrument and can make students interested so that there is no cheating. Based on the problems, I tried to develop a game that can be used as an evaluation to make it more interesting and minimize student cheating. The development uses the development model from Sumarni, Istiningsih, and Nugrahini, namely the development of Mantap or 5-stage. This development model is a modification of the Berg and Goal design. Mantap was chosen because it is effective for beginners like me in carrying out the R&D procedure, and as stated by Sumarni in 2019 that this model is also intended for students. This development model consists of 5 main steps, namely first primary research stage, second model development stage, third model validation stage, fourth effectiveness test stage, and fifth dissemination stage. Then, considering the limited funds and time possessed by researcher, that the stage will only be carried out until stage 4, namely the model effectiveness test stage. Research methodology. This study uses research and development R&D research using the Borg and Gold development model, and then developed into a model from Sumarni to the Mantap or 5-stage models. This research will be carried out in grade 11 Office Management of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta, which is located at Jalan Kebon Bawang 15B, Kebon Bawang Village, Tanjung Priuk District, North Jakarta City, and the time of this research will be carried out from November 2023 until completion. The subject of researcher in this development is student of class 11 MP SMKN 12 Jakarta. The instrument of this study uses a questionnaire consisting of a material expert, a questionnaire of media expert, and questionnaire of students. Regarding the data analysis technique, it is carried out by calculating the average score of the questionnaire indicator using the formula of the score obtained divided by the number of questions. Then, to find out whether the quality of the media product developed is feasible or not, the researcher uses the minimum criteria of B assessment, which is included in the good category. Results. Research on the development of Pilot card game-based learning media as an archive learning evaluation instrument for class 11 Office Management at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta, which is located at Jalan Kebon Bawang 15 RB RT 19 RW 7, Kebon Bawang Village, Tanjung Priuk District, North Jakarta 14320. Subject in the research on the development of learning media based on the Pilot card game as an archive learning evaluation instrument for class 11 Office Management was validated by one material expert, namely Adnan Kosovi, SPD, MBA, who is a lecturer at FEUNJ. One media expert, who is Maulana Amirul Adha, SPD, MPD, is a lecturer at FEUNJ. One learning practitioner, Dr. Amusiana, MPD, who is teacher of archival subjects at SMK 12 Jakarta, and 36 students of class 11 MP SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Research on the development of Pilot card game-based learning media as an archive learning evaluation instrument for class 11 Office Management at SMKN 12 Jakarta was carried out for 8 months from November 2023 to June 2024. Research stage start November until December. Model development stage start January until May. Model validation stage in June. Model effectiveness test stage in June. Product development results. This research develops a learning media product based on the Pilot card game as an archive learning evaluation instrument for class 11 Office Management on archive storage materials. The development of Pilot card print media products refers to the study or to the Mantap or 5-stage model consisting of preliminary research, model development, model validation, effectiveness test, and disseminate. However, the dissemination stage was not carried out in this study because the media was only developed and the research only went through the testing stage at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. So that to be implemented in other schools, it is necessary to have a trial according to the circumstance of the school. Preliminary research stage. In this stage, the research made observation conduct at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta in Class 11 Office Management in evaluating the learning of the achieved element. Educators use question types that are still simple and monotonous, such as question sheets with multiple choice forms, short fillings, and essay that make students feel bored and bored quickly. At the time of the evaluation, some students felt bored and not conducive, and some even carried out cheating activities such as cheating and giving cheats. Based on the results of the interview with the student, he felt bored and pressure when working on the problem, and he also wanted to get a good score and was still not confident in his ability, which made the low value of responsibility for what the student did. Based on this, the researcher is interested in conducting research to develop learning media that is used as an evaluation instrument in the achieved element. With the results of the observation made, the researcher will develop the learning media based on the pilot card game media as an archival learning evaluation instrument for Class 11 MP. Model development stage. The researcher made several modifications with the intention of achieving similarity between the learning media, the needs of students, and the learning objective. The research prepared the rules of the pilot card game as an instrument for evaluating achieved learning. Question indicator and answer key relate to be material of the achieved storage device. In making and selecting the image used, the researcher adjusts to the material present in the manufacture of pilot card learning media products as an evaluation instrument. Researchers use the Canva application. The completeness of pilot card learning media products as an evaluation instrument for Classroom 11 Office Management Archive Learning at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. 1 card storage batch, 1 sheet of game rules and answer keys, and then 112 cards. The card is designed in the shape of rectangle with a shape of 5 and 8 centimeters. The letters used are Times New Roman letters. After the pilot card learning media was created, the researcher made a design related to the product cover, game rules, and answer key. The product manufacturing process lasted 1 month from May to June 2024. After the design of the teaching media product was finished for the cards and a card storage batch, the researcher printed using glossy finishing ivory 230 paper for the rules of the game using HVS A4 80 paper. Model validation stage. The result of the validation by material expert, it can be seen that the validation related to the pilot card learning media received a very good response. This is proven that the total score obtained a score of 64 with an average score of 455. The score assessment obtained for the quality standard of pilot card learning media by validation of material expert with a total number of 64, which is in the range of X558 74, so that it is declared in the category of very good and suitable for use. Therefore, the results of the validation carried out by material expert, it can be stated that the question on the material of the archive storage equipment developed are worthy of testing. Result of media expert validation. The result of the validation by media expert, it can be seen that the validation results receive a very good response, it is evident that the aspect of presenting the total score obtained is 19 with average score for 7.5. The design aspect of the total score obtained 23 with an average score of 4.6. The average overall score obtained from media expert is 467. Based on the acquisition score, the quality standard of learning media products, the average score of the validation results of media expert obtained an average overall score of 467 with a total 42, which were in the range of more than 37.8, so that it was declared very good, got a grade of A, and was too suitable for use. Therefore, the results of the validation carried out by media expert, it can be stated that the pilot scored media on the archive storage equipment material developed is worthy of testing. Validation of learning practitioners. The result of validation by learning practitioners, it can be seen that the validation results receive a very good response. It is proven that the content aspect of the total score obtained is 43 with an average score for 7.8. The aspect of presenting the total obtained is 19 with an average score of 4.75. The design aspect of the total obtained is 23 with an average score of 4.6. The average overall score obtained from learning practitioners is 4.71. Therefore, the results of the validation carried out by learning practitioners can be stated that the media developed is worthy of testing. Product revision. In the archive map category, media experts suggest removing the background of the image to make it look clearer. It is recommended to convert the image from to PNG as it supports better transparency and image quality. This will make the image easier to use in a variety of contexts and appear more aesthetically pleasing. Effectiveness test stage. Small group. Pilot card game-based learning media as an archive learning evaluation instrument provides excellent assessment response from students. It is evident that the score obtained 96 out of 20 indicator in the very good category. The average score obtained for the learning aspect was 4.75. The media aspect was 4.8 and the communication aspect was 4.75. Then average of all aspects is 4.8. Based on the scores obtained from the quality standard of learning media products, the assessment of participants from the limited trial obtained an overall average score of 4.8 with the score obtained in the range of 4.20 to 5. Therefore, the very good category gets a grade A and it's worthy of trial as test run. The result of the test of the effectiveness of the product in the trial group above, it can be seen that the pilot card game-based learning media as an archive learning evaluation instrument at SMKN 12 Jakarta received very good assessment response from students. It is proven that the score obtained for the learning aspect 4.76, the media aspect 4.76, and communication aspect is 4.69. Then the average of all aspects is 4.73. Based on the score obtained from the quality standard of learning media product, the assessment of participants from the limited trial obtained an overall average score of 4.73 with the score obtained in the range of 4.20 to 5. Therefore, it is staged that the very good category get a score of A. Conclusion: the learning media of the pilot card game as an instrument for evaluating archive learning in grade 11MP at SMK 12 Jakarta was developed using the Mantap model or 5-stage of the development of Sumarni Istiningsi Enugraini, which is modification of the bark and goal design. The results of the study show that Palace card game-based learning is suitable to be used as an instrument for evaluating the learning of Archive SMK 12 Jakarta, Material Expert Assessor obtained an average of 4, Media Expert 4, Learning Practitioner 4, the overall average score of 464 is included in the very good category with a grade of A and is worthy of use. The response of the developed study students obtained the very good criterion A with an average final score of 480 in the limited trial and 473 in the usage trial. Suggestion. First, educators are encouraged to use learning media as an evaluation tool, one of which is the Palace card game. The media is considered very good and suitable for use based on expert assessment and student response. Therefore, it is important for educators to utilize learning media as an evaluation instrument. And then second, in addition, educators also need to develop learning media using the Mantap or 5-stage models, which provides easy to understand procedure in making products. The Mantap model allows educators to start from analyzing the needs of students to testing the effectiveness of learning media. This is my thesis presentation. I would like to thank you for the attention of the lecture. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.